There's a race happening right now to build a power grid in space, and most people have no idea that it has reached a critical milestone. Here's what's happening. A Florida-based startup called Starcatcher has just raised $65 million to build a network of satellites to beam power to other satellites in space using lasers. Not to Earth, to other spacecrafts in orbit. The thing is, every satellite at some point is limited by power in space. Andrew Rush, who is the CEO of Starcatchers, describes it as every spacecraft going on a camping trip to space, constantly rationing energy. And Starcatcher wants to end that. Their satellites harvest concentrated sunlight and then beam it to client spacecraft's existing solar panels. No modification or no special hardware required. And the crazy thing is, up to 10 times more power is available on demand. They already have $60 million in signed contracts and about $3 billion in pipeline of prospective customers. The first chief of space operations at the US Space Force just joined their board as well. And they've already set the world record for optical power beaming, and they tested this at a ground at the former space shuttle runway at Kennedy Space Center. And here's the thing that nobody is saying out loud. Every trend that we have covered this month, whether it's AI satellites in orbit, orbital data center, space-based internet, all of them eventually hit the same problem. Power. You can put a GPU in orbit, however, you cannot give it enough electricity to run at full capacity. Starcatcher is essentially building the next generation of infrastructure layer that makes all of this possible. Power grid that every other space economy startup depends upon. Starcatcher was only just founded 2 years ago and have already set a world record for optical power beaming. The first in-space demonstration is due later this year. So is orbital power structure the most important infrastructure being built in the space economy right now? What do you think?